Is your Kia Niro key fob not working? Don't panic. The most common culprits are the battery, the need for a relearn, or antenna issues. We'll start with the easiest fix, the battery. The Kia Niro key fob uses a CR2032 battery, which typically lasts 1-2 years. If your fob has reduced range or doesn't work at all, that is likely the issue. You can replace it yourself by prying open the fob, swapping the battery, and reassembling it. Cost is around $5 to $10. Remember, extreme temperatures affect battery life, so avoid cheap knockoffs as they can corrode. If a new battery doesn't solve the problem, you may need to relearn or reprogram the key fob. Sit in the car, close all doors, insert the key if mechanical, and cycle the ignition from off to on 5 times within 10 seconds without starting the engine. Then hold the lock-unlock buttons on the fob until the lights flash. This procedure resets the fob's rolling code. Make sure to do this with the fob within 6 inches of the start button. If that fails, the issue could be with the antenna. Antenna problems are less common and may require professional help. If the relearn fails repeatedly, use an OBD scanner to check for error codes like B2100, indicating an antenna fault. Repairs involve BCM replacement or antenna realignment and can cost $500 to $800 at a dealership. Keep in mind that signal interference can mimic antenna failure. App-based keys via Kia Connect are also an option on newer models.